Everything you've been told about AI replacing you is a lie. It's not the AI that replaces you, it's the person who whispers to it. This is the single highest leverage skill of the decade, and we're here to master the art of AI prompting. We're moving past simple tech trends to define a professional workflow that delivers a strategic advantage in any industry. This course transitions you from a passive user to an active creator, architecting solutions instead of just executing commands. Get ready to unlock a new level of professional capacity by framing the immersive opportunity we are stepping into. We're standing at the beginning of the biggest technological shift since the internet itself, a revolutionary project to be worth trillions. You are here because you recognize this as a fundamental change in how we work and create. Far beyond simple chatbots, we are not just welcoming you to a course, we are welcoming you to an AI revolution itself. Over the next few sessions, we'll give you the keys to navigate this new world. We start with the most basic yet most powerful concept, the prompt. Most people treat AI like it's a search engine, but that is a mistake. A prompt is simply the precise instructions you give to an AI to input that generates the output. We must treat the AI like a brilliant but extremely literal intern who needs a very specific job description. The quality of your instructions directly determines the quality of the result, and that precision is why this skill is so valuable. Now, let's discuss why mastering this simple concept is so critical to your professional success. The difference between a poor prompt and a high value prompt can be the difference between a useless answer and a strategic asset. Prompting is the bridge between human intention and machine capability. If you cannot communicate clearly, the AI cannot deliver value, and this skill separates those who leverage AI from those who are disrupted by it. Mastery of prompting means you can control the tool, maximizing efficiency, creativity, and control over your workflow. To control the tool efficiently, we must first understand the landscape of the major players. To effectively utilize AI, you must understand the major large language models that power the ecosystem. We have the three established powerhouses, OpenAI with ChatGPT, the reasoning engine, Anthropic's Claude, the creative writer, and Google Gemini with the multimodal giant. We have recognized the crucial roles of Meta's Llama, the open source hero, and xAI's Gronk, the real-time rebel. Understanding these five is crucial because the prompt that works perfectly in one model might fail completely in another. You need to know which tool to grab for which specific job. Everything you've been told about AI replacing you is a lie. It's not the AI that replaces you, it's the person who whispers to it. We just covered the major LLMs, but simply having access to these tools is not the opportunity. The real value is the expertise to command them efficiently. This creates a critical high-value gap in the professional landscape that companies are desperate to fill. Mastering this workflow is the single highest leverage skill of the decade, accessible to anyone willing to put in the work. So, what exactly is the powerful new role that sits at the center of this massive opportunity? A prompt engineer is the architect of an AI interaction, translating complex human intent into precise machine instructions. This role is far more than just typing a query. It requires designing, refining, and optimizing the exact context and constraints for the AI. We've established what the opportunity lies in commanding the AI, not just using it. You'll become the professional workflow bridge, turning vague business needs into precise, actionable, and repeatable outputs. It is a powerful blend of logical thinking, domain experience, and strategic communication. Understanding this role is the first step towards building a high-growth career path. Prompt engineering is not a temporary buzzword. It is a launch pad for a defined and rapidly evolving professional career path. We're not talking about a dead-end job. This is a true career lander. You start by mastering the fundamentals as a prompt specialist, focusing on content creation and optimization. The trajectory quickly leads to high-level roles like prompt architect, where you design complex, multi-step AI systems. Ultimately, you can become a lead AI strategist, guiding enterprise-wide adoption and strategy. Your ability to communicate with the AI becomes the foundational skill for nearly every future knowledge worker role. But what does the actual demand look like for those roles right now? The prompt engineering job market is experiencing explosive growth, and the numbers confirm the urgency of the opportunity. This career path is not theoretical. The demand is immediate and massive. Companies are actively seeking professionals who can consistently extract maximum value for their AI investments. The demand for people who can bridge the gap between human strategy and AI capabilities far outstrips the current supply of talent. This imbalance translates directly into competitive salaries and significant leverage for skilled professionals. Even at the entry level, mastering this skill set now is a powerful investment that positions you in the front of the modern economy. So, what specific competencies do you need to acquire to secure one of those roles? Success in prompt engineering is not dependent on complex coding, but on a specific set of practical, high leverage skills. The market is hot, but you need the right tools to enter it. First, you must possess exceptional clarity in communication, ensuring AI receives ambiguous instructions and context. Second, critical thinking is essential for breaking down complex business problems into simple, logical steps. And finally, a professional workflow requires a disciplined approach to iteration and experimentation, treating every prompt as a hypothesis to be tested and refined. We've seen the massive opportunities, but here's the catch. 90% of the people are using these tools wrong. In the next video, I'm going to hand you the cheat codes, the exact frameworks that turn this chaotic technology into a precision instrument. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. The next video is starting right now. Click the video on the screen and dive into part 2. See you over there.